Welcome to Hebrew Words in Scripture. This is lesson 19. We're going to study the word Adam. We're also going to see how to use the concordance to trace out the meaning and origin of the words. Here we see the concordance opened up to the alphabetical section, and we'll see each word listed and the number of times that it's listed. Here we see the word exalt, and all of the occurrences of the word exalt in the King James Bible are listed. And here we see the chapter and verses which are listed. Here we see the Hebrew designation. In this case, it's 7311. And we will see how here's a different word that's used in Hebrew and so forth. And down here in the New Testament, this is in Matthew, Corinthians, and Peter, we see that the numbers are different because they're in Greek. And we have a Hebrew dictionary in the back of the book and a Greek dictionary in the back of the book. We're now in the Hebrew dictionary part of the concordance, and we find the number 7311, and we see the Hebrew word room, and we see the various uses and definitions, and also other places in which the word or similar words are used. This is the Android form of a Bible reference called MySword. It's a free app that you can download. We're going to look here now. I'm going to open this up and look at it as a study tool. We're going to be looking for the word Adam. Here I have opened the MySword to the King James Light version, which is just the words, and we are in Genesis 1:1. I'm going to look to Genesis 2:1 and find the word Adam. And here we have the word Adam. If we switch from King James Light to King James, it will display the concordance numbers, the Hebrew concordance numbers. And here we see the word Adam, and it lists H120 as its Hebrew number, its Hebrew number, Strong's Concordance Hebrew number. If we were to look in the Strong's Concordance book, we would be taken to this number, and then we could look in the dictionary and find its meaning. All we have to do is to touch the word, and it will bring up the reference to H120. And here is the Hebrew letters, the Hebrew characters. We see an Aleph, we see a Dalet, and we see a final Mem. That would be Adam, Adam. So we see the pronunciation, and if we scroll through, we'll see the definitions. It says man or mankind. You can read this yourself, man or human being. It comes from the original Hebrew word H119. And if we click on that, it will take us to H119. And we see it's the exact same spelling or the exact same characters as in the H120. However, it says to be red, or to be rubbed red, or dyed red, or reddened, to cause to show red. And so we see that the ultimate origin and meaning of the word Adam, is to show blood in the face, and that is to flush or to turn rosy. And I think that means that basically we blush. And I believe it was Mark Twain who said that man is the only animal that blushes or needs to. I think that's a very strong commentary on who we are. We know the difference between right and wrong, and so we have an emotion to react to that. That is to blush. Here we were looking at the word Adam as H120. Let's scroll back up a few verses, and we see that the word man has been translated from the word H120. And indeed, the word man comes from the word Adam, as we saw before. I think we're going to find that this word Adam or Adam comes from a two-letter word, D-M, Dalet Mem. We're going to explore that at our next lesson for the words Edom and Asaldama.